What is TXV and what does a TXV actually do? Ever wonder how your AC knows exactly how much refrigerant to send into the evaporator coil? That tiny part, it's called a TXV, and honestly, it's one of the smartest components in HVAC. What is a TXV? TXV stands for thermostatic expansion valve. Its job is simple: control how much refrigerant enters the evaporator coil. Not too much, not too little, just enough. If too much refrigerant enters the coil, liquid refrigerant can flood back to the compressor, and that's bad. Compressors are designed to compress vapor, not liquid. The TXV constantly monitors the temperature of the suction line. That sensing bulb attached to the pipe, that's what tells the valve to open or close. If the evaporator needs more refrigerant, the valve opens. If the coil is getting too full, the valve restricts flow, superheat. This is where superheat comes in. The TXV is trying to maintain proper superheat at the evaporator outlet. Basically, it makes sure all the refrigerant boils into vapor before returning to the compressor. When a TXV fails, you might notice low suction pressure, high superheat, frozen evaporator coil, poor cooling, starving evaporator, or flooding problems. A lot of people instantly blame the TXV, but sometimes the real issue is low refrigerant charge, restricted filter dryer, clogged screen, or airflow problems. So the next time someone says the TXV is bad, remember that valve is constantly balancing refrigerant flow to protect the compressor and maximize cooling. And honestly, that tiny valve controls the entire refrigeration cycle. Follow for more HVAC engineering and real world troubleshooting breakdowns